Hi everyone, welcome back. Today it's a little bit windy, it's gloomy. I think we're expecting rain. But the other day we were playing around with the iPad and we were wondering if you could actually fly the NEO with your iPad. So we've set up the DJI Fly app on iPad, and this will be the first time trying this. So let's click the connection guide. Connect mobile device. There's the NEO. Hopefully she connects. Join. Yeah, it's kind of cool out today. Had to put on a jacket. Wow. Okay, guys, it looks like we got a picture there. Let's put it into manual control. Let's click record. And let's do a takeoff. All right. What happened here? We lost our screen. It says no satellite. No satellite. Oh, it's kind of nice, you know, having the big screen instead of your phone. Okay, so let's very touchy. Yeah, very glitchy. We can still see the NEO from here. I'm going to try and go behind the tree here. You can see the leaves are starting to change.
Max flight distance reached.
Okay, so max flight distance reached. Disconnected. Reconnect. So join. Okay, we're gonna have to walk over here and see what happens. Okay guys, well I guess you can fly with the iPad, but you just got to be careful how far you go. I'm not sure what the distance was there. We're gonna hook up the controller and maybe fly out with the controller and just see what kind of distance we just got with the iPad by itself. So let's get that hooked up. We'll bring her in and land her. Yeah, it's really nice on the iPad. You know, if you're doing photos, you have something nice and large. Switch it over here. Let's move it in a bit closer. You know, you can scroll down. Snap a picture. Cool. Okay, let's bring her in. And we're actually going to fly with the iPad, but hooked up to the controller. So let's bring her down. Okay. All right, so let's see if we can get this hooked up. Maybe we'll stick a fresh battery in there also. Okay, I think we have an extra long cable here for the iPhone that I think we're going to hook up. Yeah, we do. So let's pull this one out. Start that there. Yeah, we actually had the idea to try out the iPad, and we on Amazon there, we got a little bit longer iOS cable to USB-C. So, and on our 3D printer, we actually printed this, we got this off of Maker World, and it fits right in here. So we just turn that. We just turn that, and hopefully we're going to get the iPad to fit in there. Okay. Okay, so the iPad actually fits in there, and this cable, is it long enough? Yeah. Yeah, guys, there you go. There's a little setup. This little gizmo here from Maker World. We 3D printed it. Okay, so let's start up the drone. Start up the controller. Okay, guys, this was fun, you know. And this was a great little test with the iPad. It is so nice to have a nice large screen for any kind of drone. But today we wanted to test out the iPad, and it was excellent. I mean, the iPad by itself, we only got about 50 meters. So you want to think about that if that's all you're going to fly the NEO with. But if you put it on the controller, you have a lot more control, and you have a beautiful view. And especially when you're adjusting your ISO and your shutter, you know, having that big screen allows you to see your colors when you're adjusting your shutter and everything. Anyways, guys, that was just a little test to see how the iPad was, and I think it performed very nice. Very nice. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next NEO.